Hi everyone, I'm Shravan from Triple Department, and let us see how to resolve the error while uploading a file in Teams for your assignment. Okay, so initially first you'll have to log in into your OneDrive account. You can do it through your browser on mobiles, laptops or desktops, or you can simply sign in into your OneDrive app if it is in mobile, download app and then sign in, or else you can do it in browser as well. So first Google OneDrive login and then sign in into your Microsoft OneDrive account. So click on sign in here and then type your email ID, the credentials that you're using for Teams, same credentials you'll have to use, your roll number, then click on next, roll number @nriit.edu.in, and the password is also same. In case if you're forgetting your password, get it reset, please contact your class teacher. Then click on your account, pick this account and type your password, and remember to click yes there so that daily you need not sign in into your OneDrive account. So this is your OneDrive account. You'll have to upload your file to your OneDrive first. So in order to upload a file to OneDrive inside the browser itself, click on these three dots and click on upload and then files and then files at the bottom. So depending on where your desired file is, browse through that or browse to that location and select that file. So for example, I'm selecting a sample file to attach for an assignment. So let me select a sample file. So this is my sample file that I'm going to upload in assignment. So select this file. Once you're uploading it to your OneDrive, you can see it in this list. Now select it. You should get a tick mark for this circle, and then click on the three dots here and then select share. Okay, click on share and again select these three dots and click on share. Remember, this one should be anyone with the link can edit. Okay, you should have this option by default. In case if you're not having this, click on this, whatever you're having, click on that and select anyone with the link and make sure this checkbox is ticked, which allows the faculty to edit. Okay, and apply. So you should have anyone with the link can edit here, and then click on copy link. You're going to copy and paste this link. So as soon as you click on copy link, you should see this option here, anyone with the link can edit. Then you copy, otherwise you change this option here. Click on copy. Then come back to Teams. Go to the channel or the Teams corresponding to that subject and open that assignment through the channel, or you can also click on the assignments icon over here and select the corresponding assignment. So this student has already submitted it, so let us resubmit it again. Okay, otherwise you'll get it in assigned. So select this assignment. This is a sample assignment for testing purpose. The student has already submitted a document. Let us remove this document. First undo chesam, then let's remove this. Now this is what you'll be getting as soon as you open your assignment. First thing, you'll have to add work here and then turn in here. Okay, so let us click on add work. Initially you might have tried by uploading it from the device. For some people, for some students, it is successfully uploaded, but some students will get error. Let me show you the error first. Upload it from the device. Let me again select the file. Okay, so you'll get an error like this. There was a problem attaching this file. Please remove and try again. So first remove the file and again click on add work. Now, you might have also tried by uploading it through OneDrive. Let's see that as well. Click on OneDrive and select that file that you have already uploaded earlier. Again, you are getting an error if you are directly submitting a file. So there was a problem attaching this file. So let's once again remove it. Now, in case if you are getting such error, then you will have to follow this procedure. Copy and paste the link. Okay. Add work. Click on add work. And then click on link over here. Okay. Click on link over here. And paste the link that you have copied from OneDrive. Paste the link over here, and in the text to display, type your complete roll number. In the text to display, type your complete roll number. And please don't type anything else, just type your complete roll number, that's it. Okay, then click on attach. Once you have attached, you can clearly see the attached file over here. Okay, and then finally you'll have to turn in. Before turning in, you can also see how many points will be returned to you. Out of 10 points, you can see how many points are returned to you later on when the faculty returns some score. And check the due date. Before the due date itself, you'll have to turn in. Okay, let's click on turn in. So you'll get a confirmation, a small emoji, and then if you want to undo the turn in, and then you can resubmit the file until your due date is completed. So you can observe your turned in date and time as well here. Okay, so this is a successful upload for any kind of an assignment in Microsoft Teams if you're talking about a mobile version. Let's continue about the same thing in a laptop or a desktop version. Okay, if you're uploading your assignment through a laptop or a desktop, or in fact if you're trying to do it through a browser in mobile, in case if you're using Chrome, you'll have to go with desktop view. Remember, desktop view in any browser will obviously get the next part of the video. So if it is a laptop or a desktop version, or if you are viewing it in Chrome in a desktop view in your mobile, you'll get it like this. You'll have to click on the files over here in the main menu. So click on files and click on OneDrive. So this is where you'll have to drop in your files. Okay, so let's upload a sample file by clicking on upload and click on files and select the appropriate file that you want to upload and submit it to the assignment and open. So you'll get that file here. Whatever you're uploading, you'll get the list of files here. First, select the file that you want to upload and then open it in OneDrive, and the process is same. Once you open it in OneDrive, whatever we have done in the mobile version, it is same, but this is in a desktop view. Okay, again select this file that you want to upload. Okay, and click on share. Always click on share after selecting the file, otherwise the entire folder in your drive will be shared. Remember, always select the file that you want to share and then click on share. If you are not selecting any file, the entire folder will be shared. Okay, so make sure that you're having anyone with the link can edit as your option. Otherwise, click on it and change it. Click on it and change it to anyone with the link. Okay, and also check whether this checkbox is ticked or not. Allow editing. So you're allowing faculty to edit the document, and apply. Click on apply. Now just verify, just allow with the link can edit, and sorry, anyone with the link can edit, and copy this link. Click on copy link. Now once again make sure that anyone with the link can edit appears here or not. Once it appears, it is healthy, and click on copy. Now get back to Teams. And go to your assignment you can go to the assignment by clicking here or through your classroom team and the corresponding channel. It will be posted right in the post. You can open it from there as well. So this is your sample assignment that I've created. So the student is adding his or her work at this location over here. Okay, so click on add work. And as I said in the mobile version, if you are having any error by uploading from the device, obviously you can't proceed further. Similarly, you can't proceed further if you are clicking on OneDrive and if you are unable to upload any file. Then in that case, you'll have to click on link and paste the link that you have copied and enter the text that you want to display, roll number, your complete roll number. And please don't type the subject name or unit test or maybe class test, something else. Okay, just roll number would be sufficient. And click on attach. Okay. If you are making sure that anyone with the link can edit, and once you turn in your assignment, faculty can see that particular document. If you are not sharing it with the link as per the desired settings, then faculty cannot open it. Okay, but you will be turning in it. Sorry, you will be turning in the document, or you will be turning in the assignment, but the faculty cannot be getting it, or they can't be viewing it in the first place. Okay, so since we have uploaded it, you can make sure it is uploaded and then click on turn in. So you got an emoji confirmation that you have submitted. The turned in date and time are appearing here, and this indicates that you have turned in. Just check the due date, and before the due date, you can undo and turn in once again if it is needed. Okay, and once the faculty returns the points, the score will be given to you at this location.